Welcome everyone to another wonderful episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. We have a young gentleman who has presented to our office today with a very simple chief complaint of, we'll just say, Dr. Wagner, I'm not happy with my left great toenail plate. This nail defines the true meaning of the ram's horn, right? Dr. Wagner, what caused this? Until proven otherwise, two separate traumatic events pursuant to the patient. Boom, that was number one. Boom, number two, which basically, damaged the nail root, the nail bed, the nail complex, subsequently causing, let's take a look. Thank you. This. Okay. Let's give it a nice little side view there. The nail is essentially growing towards the sky, towards the moon. And, there's an element of onychomycosis, toenail fungus, among us. And what we're going to go ahead and do is also make further recommendations in that respect. But today, we're going to go ahead and trim the toenail. Function, comfort, pain management, okay? So let's get to work, shall we? Just watch your eyes. Okay. Okay, it's official. A lot of subungual debris, breadcrumbs. Okay, we're carefully just Are you wearing, I think you said the welder's, what'd you say?
The welder's shield mask?
Shield, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna carefully work the sides here a little bit. Sorry about that, my friend. Whoa. I almost had that one for lunch. When was the last time this was done, or has this ever been done like this?
I've had something similar where I was doing that. Yeah. I was, but not as deep as you were doing.
Where'd you get the clippers, at Home Depot?
I had something, I forgot where. I know you.
Take a look at here, the medial aspect here, Elizabeth. Just giving the nail a haircut. We're going to go ahead and also implement, we'll just say, a fungal eradication program. We're going to go ahead and grind this nail a little bit, of course, right? a lot of people that come in here, right, with these severely onychomycotic, dystrophic, thick toenails, a lot of people just say, hey, Wagner, why don't you just remove it, right? And you know, it really depends on the clinical presentation. You know, but I always like, we like to exhaust all conservative measures first before we consider. What? Oh. Try to see if we can. No. What'd you say?
Stretching my toe.
Stretching the toe.
It hurts.
Does this hurt here?
No, when you press it down like that.
Like this.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah,
that's good. We'll trim that out at the end there. Grab this little. I know. There it is. Okay, good. Let's look at it from the side now. My friend, you're good for another 10,000 miles. The patient's going, is that my toenail? Onychodystrophy. Onycho means elements of fungus, dystrophy, thickening. Quintessential poster child, right? Textbook, out of the textbook. Elizabeth, what do you have to say about this case? Would you like to say anything? No. Patient, if you can describe this, one word.
I'm not going to scare anybody anymore now, I guess, when I take off my shoes.
Absolutely. And when you go to the beach, you don't have to do what?
I'll put my feet in the sand.
That's right. Fact. There are some, also there are some aesthetic treatments, believe it or not, that exist. But we won't get into that today. That's another episode at Doctors of Podiatry. Okay? We will continue to do what we do to educate the world that these clinical presentations do exist, subsequent treatments. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the patient for allowing us to do this. I think a lot of people will benefit from this video. Thank you very much. Big milestone today. Big milestone. Not thanks to me. Thanks to all the people out there. We were able to reach 300,000 subscribers. On behalf of the entire organization, genuinely, I thank everyone out there for the continued support. You know, I'm in the business of education. That's all I'm doing. Letting people know, you know, bringing the world here so we can continue our journey in education, continuing education. I send all my love to everyone from the bottom of our hearts here and our feet to everyone out there. As always, thank you for watching.